Everyone, welcome to the day 1 of 21 day English speaking challenge with me. Today I take the topic how to overcome the fear of public speaking. And so, have you ever faced a situation when someone asks you a question in English and your mind will get completely blank? Your heart is racing, the word come into your head but it doesn't come out of your mouth. If that's you, don't worry. You don't have a language problem, you have a confidence problem. And in this video, I will give you a 3 psychological tricks. With that help, you can build your confidence and speak perfectly in English. So, the step number 1 is to remove the perfect English myth. We think that we should speak English perfectly. We wait until our grammar is 100% correct. But that is not a right process. As we see the native speaker, they also do some grammatical mistakes. And they also don't care about our grammars. They always care about our connection, whether we confess our feeling clearly or not. So let's imagine when someone asks you a question in your accent with a broken tone and few mistakes. Do you laugh at them? No, you don't laugh at them. You understand them and move on. And let's take the example. You said yesterday I go to the market instead of yesterday I went to the market. What? The other person who listening to this will understand the same thing. That's really matter. So shift your goal to surrounding yourself from textbook to just delivering the message. Now the second step is the physical step, which you can use when the anxiety hit, and it is a 70% speed rule. When we get nervous, our adrenaline spikes and we start using word very fastly. And when we speak too fast, our brain doesn't have a proper time to speak and translate it. And then we start panicking and ultimately get freeze. So the next time when you practice English, force yourself to speak at the 70% of your normal speed. Take a deep breath, pauses between the sentences, and you might feel that you are in a slow motion, but to the person listening, you sound calm, calculated, and confident. And finally, in the third step, your main focus was to building your stamina in safe zone. You wouldn't go to the gym and lift a 200 barbell on day 1, right? So why you take yourself a long presentation or speech to speak in the front of the crowd? And that is the ultimate reason you get freeze. Start small. Talk to yourself in the mirror while you are brushing. Think in English. Order the food and coffee in English in the restaurant or cafe. Practicing English by AI tools and apps, where you can talk to the AI and the students who also learning English. By practicing in these low pressure safe zone, you train your brain to and your muscles to speak confidently in public and when you face the crowded situation. So overcoming the fear of public speaking is not happen in just one day, but every moment you step forward, your past awkward feeling will gone and your confidence grow, and that is the real thing you want. So please comment below your biggest fear which you faced in a public speaking. Is it your pronunciation or forgetting the word? If this video will give you a rightful content, then like and subscribe. Now thanks for and see you